आज आपण पाहणार आहोत प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3. यामधील जे डिफिकल्ट एक्झाम्पल आहेत म्हणजे विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी म्हणजे आपल्यासाठी हाताळण्यास कठीण आहे ते एक्झाम्पल पहिल्यांदा पाहूया. पहा, इफ द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ ॲन AP इज A. फर्स्ट टर्म काय म्हटलं त्यांनी? A. म्हणजे आपण इथे लिहिलं की हिअर T1 इज इक्वल टू A. सेकंड टर्म इज B. सेकंड टर्म म्हणजे T2 ही काय घेतली आपण B. आणि लास्ट टर्म म्हणजे ज्याला आपण nth टर्म म्हणतो ती काय दिलेली आहे? C. ती घेतलेली आहे आपण ते Tn इज इक्वल टू C. देन शो दॅट सम ऑफ ऑल टर्म्स इज A plus C B plus C minus 2A upon twice in bracket B minus A. जे दिलेलं आहे ते आपण इथे लिहून घेतलं. आपल्याला काढायचं आहे ते कॉमन डिफरन्स. तर कॉमन डिफरन्स D इज इक्वल टू काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? T2 मायनस T1. T2 म्हणजे B आणि T1 म्हणजे A. तर D इज इक्वल टू काय मिळालं आपल्याला? B मायनस A. आता Tn काय फॉर्म्युला आहे? A प्लस n मायनस 1 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय D. nth टर्म म्हणजे लास्ट टर्म ती दिली आहे C इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म म्हणजे A प्लस n मायनस 1 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय D. D ची व्हॅल्यू किती आलेली आहे? D मायनस A. Therefore we have to find the n. आपल्याला इथे काय कशाची किंमत काढायची आहे? n ची किंमत. तर ती काढण्यासाठी पहा, हा A जो आहे राईट साइडला इट इज टेकन टू लेफ्ट साइड. इट बिकम C मायनस A इज इक्वल टू n मायनस 1 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय B मायनस A. नाउ दिस B मायनस A टेकन टू दिस साइड. C मायनस A अपॉन B मायनस A इज इक्वल टू n मायनस 1. Therefore n इज इक्वल टू या n ची किंमत काढूया आपण. काय होती? C मायनस A अपॉन B मायनस A. मायनस 1 goes to left side, it become plus 1. We have to simplify it. Plus 1 means 1 upon 1. The denominator is B minus A. In numerator C minus A plus B minus A. Therefore n is equal to B plus C plus B plus C minus A minus 2A upon B minus A. So this is the value of n. Now we have to find Sn, that is sum of all terms. And therefore Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket first term plus last term T1 plus Tn. That is equal to n means B plus C minus 2A upon 2 B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. So T1 is A plus Tn is C. A plus C. That is equal to B plus C minus 2A upon B minus A. This is divided by 2. To divide means to multiply the reciprocal of a divisor. Therefore reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. You have to multiply it by 1 upon 2. So 1 multiplied by numerator, that is numerator, and 2 multiplied by denominator. In bracket A plus C. That is equal to Sn is equal to, what is our to prove? A plus C in second bracket B plus C minus 2A upon twice in bracket B minus A. That is sum of all terms is equal to A plus C B plus C minus 2A upon twice in bracket B minus A. This is our final answer. If the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms. लक्षात घ्यायचं काय म्हटलं त्यांनी? The sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms. Then you have to show that the sum of its first p plus q terms is 0. Sum of its first p plus q terms is 0. Here we consider, let a be the first term, a be the first term and d be the common difference of an AP. Therefore, carbohydrate sum Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. But what is given? Sum of first p terms is equal to sum of first q terms. This is given. Sum of first p terms is written as sp is equal to sum of first q terms is written as sq. So using this formula, sp is equal to p upon 2. Sp means you have to replace this n by p. So p upon 2 in bracket twice a plus n means p minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to s by p. So that is n upon 2 means p upon 2 twice a plus n means p minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to sq. Now you replace n by q. So q upon 2 in bracket twice a plus q minus 1 multiplied by d. Now both the sides contain upon 2, it become cancel, or we say that p in bracket 2a plus p minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to q in bracket 2a plus q minus 1 multiplied by d. We say that multiply both sides by 2. Now multiply by p multiplied by 2a, 2ab plus p multiplied by this bracket, p in bracket p minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to q multiplied by 2a means 2aq plus q multiplied by this bracket, q in bracket q minus 1 multiplied by d. Now therefore twice aq taken to this side minus twice aq plus p in bracket p minus 1 multiplied by d. This bracket taken to this side, it becomes q in bracket q minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 0. Now this is first and this is second one. From the first group, 2a is taken as common in bracket p minus q plus from the second group d is taken as common, d in bracket p in bracket p minus 1 minus q in bracket q minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2a p minus q plus d in bracket p multiplied by p square, p multiplied by minus 1 minus p minus q multiplied by q minus q square minus q multiplied by minus 1 minus plus q bracket complete is equal to 0. Therefore twice a in bracket p minus q plus d in bracket p square minus q square, then minus p plus q is equal to 0. Therefore 2a in bracket p minus q plus d in this bracket. This p square minus q square has a two factor. One factor is p plus q and another factor is p minus q. and from the second group minus is taken as common in bracket P minus Q bracket complete. See here, this step is important. Most of the students take a mistake. E is equal to 0. Now from this bracket P minus Q is again taken as common. Therefore we write here twice a P minus Q. Twice a P minus Q plus D. Now from this P minus Q is one factor and the second factor is P plus Q, and here is minus 1. E is equal to 0. Now from these two P minus Q is again taken as common in bracket 2a plus D in bracket P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, you know that the P minus Q, but P is not equals to Q, and therefore P minus Q is not equals to 0. The product of these two factors is 0. But here what is given? P is not equals to Q. Therefore P minus Q is not equals to 0. Out of these two factors, the first factor is not 0. Therefore second factor is 0. Therefore 2a plus D in bracket P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. And what is plus Q? Is equal to P plus Q upon 2 in bracket 2a plus N. N means P plus Q minus 1. P plus Q minus 1 multiplied by D. That is equal to this 2a plus D multiplied by P plus Q minus 1 is equal to 0. This factor is 0. Therefore P plus Q upon 2 multiplied by 0. We say that here from 1. And here we write 1. And therefore yes, P plus Q is equal to 0. Example 13. If m times mth term of an AP is equal to n times nth term of term. लक्षात घ्या, m times mth term, इथे म्हटला n times nth term. Then show that m plus nth term of the AP is 0. कोणती term? m plus nth term हे काय दाखवायचे? 0 दाखवायचे. So let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an AP. Then we know that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. What is given? M times mth term of an AP is equal to n times nth term of an AP. Therefore, m times mth term is equal to n times nth term. Therefore, m in bracket Tm, we have to replace n by m. A plus m minus 1 multiplied by D is equal to n in bracket Tn means A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now simplify m a plus m multiplied by m minus 1 multiplied by D is equal to here n a plus n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by D. That is equal to m minus m a minus n a plus m in bracket m minus 1 multiplied by D. This bracket equal to this side minus n in bracket n minus 1 multiplied by D. Therefore, from this group, A is taken as common in bracket m minus n. From the second group, what we take common? In bracket m minus 1 minus n minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus n multiplied by a plus, simplify m multiplied by m square minus n square minus minus plus n multiplied by d is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus n multiplied by a plus, in bracket we write it as m square minus n square minus m plus n multiplied by d is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus n multiplied by a plus, in bracket m square minus n square, it has a two factor, m plus n, m minus n. From the second, minus m is taken as common or minus 1 is taken as common, in bracket m minus n multiplied by d is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus n multiplied by a plus, from these two, m minus n is taken as common. In second bracket, this is m plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 0. Now these are the two. Therefore, m minus n is again taken as common. In bracket, a plus m plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 0. But here, m is not equals to n. Therefore, m minus n is not equals to 0. If m minus n is not equals to 0, then a plus m plus n minus 1 multiplied by d is equal to 0. We call it as number 1. Now again, t m plus n is equal to t, n means m plus n is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Replace this m by m plus n, m plus n, m plus n, and this is, therefore, t m plus n is equal to 0 from 1, and hence what we say, m plus nth term of given AP is 0.